Hi guys, let's take a close-up shot of the Kurono Tokyo Jubilee Sensu EOL, and just want you to appreciate the distortion-free case, but I doubt this is the Grand Seiko level Zeratsu finish. Look at the micro scratches right there. This is probably a scratch magnet because of how they are so well polished. It is inevitable that I have scratched my watch after 2 weeks of use. And look at the crown, the beautiful onyx cabochon, and the beautiful dial. The hands are perfectly polished. You can even see that there are these inlays for the hour track and the little tiny holes or indents on the mini track. And look at the guilloche dial with this chrysanthemum kind of sunburst dial, and just appreciate the kanji characters, how they are painted on. Just a beautiful watch. I have it on this solitaire alligator leather, and the interesting thing about this strap is that it has both sides, even the undersides, with the alligator leather, which makes this strap super durable, and they are even hand stitched, and it pairs really well with this this whole entire look of the watch, because I think you have to pair a black with the black onyx crown. I mean, of course, you can pair it with other straps. It's up to you, but I like it classic on this watch. And let me just show you the wrist shots. Classic black strap with the kanjis in black as well. Very artistic looking. Alright, hope you enjoy. Leave a like if you do. Let me know of any color straps you'd like to see. Perhaps I will change it up a little bit. But this is a beautiful watch. Hope you enjoy, and see you guys in the next video.